In this video, I will show you how you can change the profile picture of your Apple ID on any iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just open your Apple ID. Then tap on your profile of your Apple ID, and from here you will be able to change the profile picture. Now, you can select a me emoji, or you can select any emoji from here. Also, you have the option to set a photo from your Photos app. For an example, I will select this photo. And after you select your photo, then tap on Choose and select Done. Now just select the contact poster. And after you do that, you will be able to change the profile picture of your Apple ID. But as you can see in our case, this method is not working. As you can see, the profile picture has not been changed. But if I tap on it, I will be able to see the picture which I have selected. Now this issue is most likely because of a software glitch. Now just follow the next method to change your profile picture. For that, just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. Search iCloud.com, and from here just sign into your Apple ID. As you can see, I am already signed in. But if you're not signed in, just tap on Sign In and sign into your Apple ID. After you complete the sign-in process, then tap on the profile picture over here and select iCloud settings. Now just scroll down and look for the option of Change Apple Account Photo. Now after you arrive on this page, now just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now just select the photo which you want to set as your Apple ID photo. For an example, I will select this photo. Now just drag this photo. After you drag this photo, now just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Now just drop the selected photo over here. And after you do that, you will be able to adjust the photo. And once you're done adjusting the photo, then tap on Save Changes. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open Settings, as you can see, we have successfully changed the profile photo of our Apple ID. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.